Hi everyone, so I am back, excuse my noisy chair, I'm back with another journal. Actually, I made this about 2 months ago. There is a video on it. I was going to use this for my Christmas this year, but I have discovered that I have about 6 journals that I haven't used yet. So I've added more to this and I am going to list it on my coffee shop. If you're interested, it's a flip-flop style journal. It's got 2 signatures. I don't know how many pages and things, but there's lots of tags. I think I made this with envelopes, I'm sure I did. I will find the original video and I will link that below as well. I think this might have actually been a craft with me. Might have been a few parts to this. Or I'll link the playlist, that's what I'll do. But I have added more since making that, and I'd made things that I'd put in it, then I took things out of it and put them in other journals over the time. But it is quite, it has got a lot going on here. So what I can do is give you the measurements. The actual basis of this is 7¼ by just shy of 4½, sorry. And like I said, two signatures. So I've just got a simple piece of string as a closure, and as you can see, it's like so. Start this side, don't really matter what side you start. Got buttons, green and red buttons on there, traditional colours. So we have got here a tag. Got some baker's twine on there. Papers are, I think mainly it's ARTYmaze. A few bits of mine as well. That's ARTYmaze. That tag there is mine. I shrunk that down. And the little label here is ARTYmaze from, I think that might be from Christmas Vintage Days. Okay, so I'm doing all this like, so it's kind of like that as well. Anyway. What did I do? Right, see, I've confused myself. Would it be hard? Oh yeah, that's the signature. So in here, we've got some tags. These are ARTYmaze. I believe they are a freebie. Maybe they're not. I can't remember. This was out of a little Christmas pad. Where is it? One of these. Was it? Yeah, it was that. I bought that years ago. And I just put that's a freebie from my coffee shop. So if you fancy some freebies, check it out. Another little tag there, that's my tag. ARTYmaze tickets there, love the robins. This is, I don't know what kit that is, I can't remember, but I'm sure I mentioned it in the video. So here we've got a little like pocket journal card thing. It's opened here and also open there for you to add things. So I'll pop that in there because it's snug in there. This is a freebie from my coffee shop. I only put that up last night. ARTYmaze, little ticket there. This paper's ARTYmaze as well. We've got this, I think that's ARTYmaze. Got a little journal postcard there, and I've done that as a little pocket. And oh, we've got a little ticket there as well. See, I forgot about that. So that and that goes in there. Then we've got a little pocket. We've got like a double tag there. And that goes in there. I believe these are freebies. The pockets are freebies from ARTYmaze. Then we've got 2 little tickets there. That pops in there. This is ARTYmaze. This is a freebie Christmas tag from my coffee shop. ARTYmaze. Trim. What do you call it? A ruffle. A little ruffle. Some pages to actually journal on. So I glued that together. And then here we've got, there's an envelope on there. We've got a flip and we have a tag there. You can journal on here. And the envelope, which obviously is round the other side, goes round the other side. There's just got some paper in there for you to journal on. and the paper clip just holds it all in place. We've got another little tag here and a pocket, which is one of ARTYmaze's pieces, and then that's open there if you want to tuck something in there like that. This is just little flip out with a journal on that, and a little journal card there. That tucks up there, that goes in, and then that pops in there. We have a tag there and another one of these. That's a freebie on my coffee shop. That's at ARTYmaze. Then here, that's a freebie tag from me. These are both ARTYmaze. Then here we have got 2 journal cards. I've done that part, have I? Can't remember. Is that open? That one's open as well. Yeah, no, we haven't done this bit. But I've done it so that it's open both sides. So you can literally have it like that. Then the other signature pocket here. And selection of Christmas tags there. We've got a tag and a postcard there. That just pops in there like so. That's a freebie from my coffee shop. Here we've got a little tag with, these are from Tsunami Rose. That goes in there. Another little double tag here. We've got a little, we haven't got a little infant, it's just two little tickets. That's a freebie from my coffee shop. Then we've got a selection of little journal cards here. And another little tag there. We've got another ruffle here. Some more journal pages, the buttons there. Then here, that's another envelope the other side, that flips open. We've got a journal card there. And then that envelope is just paper clipped on there. And that goes there. We have got a little bingo card there and a postcard here. Got a tag there. We've got a postcard, that's a freebie from my coffee shop. This is from one of ARTYmaze's kits, but I think it's one of the winter ones, but it's got little snowflakes on there. And we all want a bit of snow at Christmas, don't we? Just for Christmas Day. And then it can go away and then the sun can come out. And then another tag here with them. So there's 2 lots of tags like that in the journal. And then here we have this big tag there in this pocket. And then that is us. Don't want to go in, does it? And then that is us back here where we started. So that's the journal. So if you're interested in that, the link will be below. Anything that I put up between now and, what day is it? I don't even know what day is it. Is it Tuesday? Is it Wednesday? Oh, I've lost track of days. Will be posted before Christmas. Anything that is listed up until Friday. Anything after Friday will be posted on the 28th, 27th? No, 29th, because obviously we have Christmas and we have bank holidays. And because is it Monday, Tuesday? Is Christmas Monday? I don't know. I don't know what day Christmas is. I think it's Monday. So it's Monday, Tuesday. And we have Boxing Day here in the UK. Don't know if... I know it's not celebrated everywhere. But I'll just sort that ball out in a minute. I'm rubbish at doing them. Done it the wrong way anyway. Yeah, we have Boxing Day. So Christmas Day, then we have Boxing Day and their bank holiday. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, and Friday's the 29th. So that will be if anything bought after this Friday will be shipped on the 29th. I bet you're all thinking, yeah, we got that the first time you said it. Okay, anyway. Ta-da! Still rubbish at doing bows. Okay, so the links will be below. Check out my other journals. I've got some little junk journals on there. There's 2 other journals. I've got a big chunky one. There is a shabby vintage one as well. But yeah, have a look in my shop, see what's available. They've all been reduced, apart from the little junk journals, because like they're really cheap anyway, but everything else has been reduced down. So yeah, or it's free shipping, one or the other. So yeah, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.